What I'd like to talk to you guys about this evening is something that I think is very exciting and very powerful. Over the last 2 years, a group of faculty at Colorado Mesa University have carried out a major reform of what on most campuses is referred to as Gen Ed, or General Education Curriculum. It's been a lot of work. There's a couple reasons that we felt it was important to do this. One is, honestly, on most campuses, Gen Ed is treated rather shabbily. Students are always told just to get through the Gen Ed, well, it doesn't even matter what you sign up for, just get those over with, then we'll get you into the upper level courses in your major. That's where the good stuff is. And if you think about it, it shouldn't be that way. I mean, Gen Ed makes up about half of your college education. It's about half the credits you take in order to graduate. That's a lot of classes just to be getting through and getting it over with. Something useful should be happening in those classes. The other reason is because we wanted to help prepare students for the work environment of the 21st century. You know, it used to be you would graduate from college and you would go to work at Smith & Johnson Corporation and work there for 40 years, get a gold watch and retire. It's not like that anymore. You know, all the data shows that today's college graduates, over the course of their work life, they can expect to change careers 5 to 7 times. 5 to 7 times. To be successful in that kind of a work environment, it takes a nimble mind. And that is exactly what the new essential learning curriculum is designed to do, create a nimble mind. It's not just a name change. It's not just Gen Ed to essential learning. We threw out all the old Gen Ed courses. And every class that wants to be a part of the essential learning curriculum has to apply. And as part of that application process, those classes need to demonstrate that they make use of what we call integrative learning. What I mean by that is that the emphasis in these essential learning courses is more on teaching students skills rather than just pure content. If you take a biology class, you're still going to learn about biology, but the emphasis is going to be on teaching students the methodologies that biologists use to solve problems. And it's like this all the way across the curriculum, whether it's a sociology class or a poli-sci course or a history class. In the history course, the emphasis isn't on having students memorize people and dates and battles and things like that. The emphasis is on critical thinking and how to make a good argument based upon evidence. Because that is a skill that everybody needs to be successful in life. Whether it's at work and you're trying to convince your boss to give you a raise, or whether you're trying to convince that person you're sweet on to give you a chance. What matters is making that good argument. And that's what's going to happen in these classes. The most exciting part of the new essential learning curriculum is we created a brand new course. It's called the Milestone course. And these classes are going to be crazy interesting. These are going to be the best classes on this campus. They're kind of acting like a capstone course for the essential learning curriculum. Students will take them after the 3rd or 4th semester. And these courses are going to be team taught. And they're going to be topic-based rather than discipline-based. So for example, a milestone course might be a course on water taught by environmental scientists and a political scientist. Or it might be a course on viruses taught by a biologist and a computer scientist. The design of these classes is to combine the skills that they've learned throughout that essential learning curriculum. Now, attached to these classes, there's also a 1 credit hour speech course because, you know, that's a skill that everybody needs as well. You need the ability to present your brilliant idea. And that skill happens in taking that class. And at the end of that class, students will present whatever project it is that they're working on in their milestone course. So these are 2 classes that very much work hand in hand. Look, no matter what school you go to, you're going to have to pay for those gen ed courses. So why not get real value out of them? At Colorado Mesa University, every class matters. Thank you.